Massive, we just getting at the matter as we start. No joke thing. See there? This one completely destroyed. This was a villa, like an Airbnb. And as you can see, no more stove over there, the sink over there, everything gone. You can see the water just backs up everything right here. So I don't know who owned them property. I'm not sure if them did insure or anything like that. But it is crazy. Even some plates right here. Oh my God. A stove. Oh no, man. See, all of them places are just open up. Ah, look. Water mash up everything. Oh, come up on the fridge. Not even sure if this fridge functional or it's working. Can see the people forward and take out what they want to take out. Still have some things there in them. Like ranch and all of them things. This fridge probably be working. I don't know, probably be working. And this is an expensive fridge. This fridge in a core is probably like 200,000 or probably 300,000. Look, whole life structure gone. See, only thing there is the foundation. Only foundation. Where is the structure? Over there. Yo, some of them people just go in and them go stay for the time being, because you know some of my tank them have in water and all of them things there. You see me? Watch out, man. See there, all of this. Water just pack up everything right there, so. No, sir. Whole heap of money out of loss. On the water. The water, you can see water just back up the whole of them here. Yo.
No, for real.
I'm just showing you what I go and see.
The road cut off. People are drowned and dead over there.
Oh, what you said to me?
But then that not traffic.
Yeah, but,
yes.
all right, so what is going to happen? So, when I forgot them number, me I go, all right, what me I go do? Me I go that way there, yeah. And then get my vehicle and me go that side there.
You can't go nowhere far.
Yeah, but me I forgot stop some point.
Someone dead then.
No, me I forgot stop at one point and then try the rest.
No.
Or what we are going to do?
You cannot.
You can't cross
You
it.
cannot cross it.
So, mosquito them boy. Which place was this? I don't know, which place was this? I said, this looked like it was a business place. Damn. Come on. Nice ceiling, yeah, look. My man said no phone not work. Me just make call a while ago. Me just remember about that. I said mine I work, but me just make call. So on computer. Can see the water run through this place. And I can comment in the comment section if you don't know what is them place and thing. Check. Ah, stinks. Super stink. Damn. This looks like one kitchen or one canteen. It stinks, man. Oh, probably I come from in as well. Stinks. Damn. And which place was this?
You have a lot of people.
Well, watch the channel?
No, a lot of people will still.
Cheese and peas, yeah. What's the name of this place? What it used to be?
Port of Call Hotel.
Is that what?
Port of Call Hotel.
Port of Call?
Hotel.
So this was Port of Call Hotel. Like the whole place mash up massive. The whole place mash up. The whole place mash up. And this is one of them where they're closer to the seaside too as well. The whole place mash up, man. See there now, see, the whole place mash up, man. Entrance to upstairs lobby, dining room over there, so no roof, AC hang down, everything. This place mash up, man. Look how my property are pretty. Let me see if I can make it true, okay? Look how my property are pretty. Watch it. Your property them pretty. Everything mash up. Watch it. Look on the tile on the ground. Look on the type of tile. Look on the grill. Look on the type of switch. Huh? On the type of switch. Huh? On the couch in there. Huh? This was one of them glass bathroom there where you can look, you can just chill and just have a nice little shower. Look there. You can just step straight out the door. Because people in place nice. Mash up. You can't invest back in this. Blessings and respect all my Jamaica walk by massive. Trust me. I think I'm going to be walking the most expensive last stretch here in St. Elizabeth. So massive, we're actually at Pan side, or then called Pan Road, or you don't know from the area, but this place is located in Black River. So going straight, I'm going to give you an idea where I'm actually walking. If you go straight this way, you're going to go straight to the Black River Bridge, and then you go right over in the town. So this is distress, and call it Pan side or Pan River Road or Pan Road. Massive, this is the most expensive losses I've seen so far from the hurricane, other than Black River Town. Massive. When I tell you it is bad, it is super bad. This is a boat right here, so you know, and I don't know the carriage, and it's overturned. Look on that villa. So this stretch is where you have all the villas and Airbnbs on the left going to Black River, and the sea is on that side. So let me show you. I'm gonna walk a few of them, see if I can pass through some of them to let you see the damage sustained by this hurricane. You can see even a door with the board wall just the way out of the gate. The roof, there's you have a black drum over here, just the one place. This seems like it was a structure that was right here. You don't know that gone. You can see it's our first stove. Right now when I walk on, it's not a flooring, it's actually a side panel for a house. And this is a stove just lying around out here, even a cover fork, windows. None of these places don't have any roof whatsoever. So what we heard that all of these places was under seawater. The sea did the everywhere them places. As you can see all the debris there on the wall, you can see even here, so the water did way above the fence. This is one of the property where I think sustained the least amount of damage visually, like by just looking at it, based on how it built, because you can see that the top was decked, you know what I mean? So then deck the top, and it no blow off, nor the window them no leak out, nor none of them something. So I guess maybe the downstairs flood out, but so far it's one of the best looking one me see on the entire stretch. And as we go further down, it gets extremely worse. So even look at this one now. Look here. Oh my God. Massive. We just getting at the matter as we start. No joke thing. See there? This one completely destroyed. This was a villa, like an Airbnb. And as you can see, no more stove over there, the sink over there, everything gone. You can see the water just backs up everything right here. So I don't know who owned them property. I'm not sure if them did insure or anything like that. But it is crazy. Even some plates right here. Oh my God. A stove. Oh no, man. See that? Everything gone. Even look like the whole shift. I can't even tell. You have pots in there, see them, you have some pots here, glass, fixtures, all of them things. They have more pots in here, so we're actually in an open house right now, if you tell the God truth. The damage is beyond me. So most of these, them I forgot just get some and just scrape it up and just throw away, because all of them things are just done. Oh my word, this is painful, very painful. Debris everywhere, everything mash up. All like people, them investment, just mash up. Mash up. You have some of these smoke detector things and all of that. You have an AC unit on the wall just lying there, probably full up of water and all of that. So I don't know But this is crazy massive. People in business place just gone, one go. And them, I'm not sure if them did insure or anything. So you can see right here, so it seems like it was like the bedroom or a veranda type of thing. All of them just gone turn rubble over there. So this not normal, none at all. Look at this. Oh my word. And this is for every single person in that area. There's not one person that was spared. As me tell you, other than this one to my left right here, so that's the only one let me see. Actually look, and as you can see, debris over there everywhere. But look upon this now, look even upon the roof. There's no roof, pretty much shell out. Oh God. No sir. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. This is another one. Completely gone too as well. This is what, a water heater or a filter? One of it, oh, this probably the water heater because I see the tube in them. Palm tree barely missed the house. The palm tree barely missed the house, so that could have been even way worse. Almighty. I'm not sure how it's set up, but the door is no longer there, so I guess we can just walk through. But before we go through this, go on the other side, we can see. Like, look on the place. Jaja no. Like, even the wall structure them gone. Eh? Look up on the property there, the entire foundation are just, the foundation alone you see. See all of the house and the structure just blow down and just there in the yard. We're gonna go over there shortly, but let we just see what's going on over here. So, this is, trust me, this part is the most expensive place and things that was damaged. See, all of them places are just open up. Look, water mash up everything. Come up on the fridge. Not even sure if this fridge functional or it's working. Can see the people forward and take out what they want to take out. Still have some things there in them. Like ranch and all of them things. This fridge probably be working. I don't know, probably be working. And this is an expensive fridge. This fridge in a core is probably like 200,000 or probably 300,000 fridge this. And them just there, up on the stove. Oh my word. You can see there? Sun and thing upon the stove. So I guess the water did well above them place. And look at this stove. Now one of them furniture stove there, you get this stove for probably like $200,000. So this is an expensive stove. See there? Pot, spoon, plate, knives, everything. Even an industrial microwave. Look there. Full up of water. Look there. You can see the sun inside there, and this is an industrial microwave. We're not sure if this will work. It probably works. I don't know. Cupboard tear down. The damage is just crazy. As you can see, the TV gone. Probably somebody take off the TV already, and all of that. Let's see what is in this cupboard here. Just one cup, sink. Oh my word. I'm so sorry for these people. Not sure if this fridge working. It probably works, or it probably don't work. We'll never know because there's no current or anything whatsoever, so can't really even test them. And if you look on the back now, that's the sea inside. Trees, garbage, debris, every single where you turn. Oh my word, this is crazy. This is super crazy. See? There should be a door right here. I have no idea where the door went. The door ripped out from the board frame. The door ripped out from the board frame. Completely gone. Wipe out fully. So it's just open. There's a ladder in here too as well. I'm not sure what is behind these doors. They're probably locked. Yeah, these doors are locked. And let's see this one. This door is don't know. It seems to be a bathroom. Oh, can see some water bin in there. Let me put the camera in so you can see if what's going on. Oh yeah, this is the bathroom, like the half bathroom for downstairs. Just close it back. Alright. This door locked, probably one room there. Who knows? It's covered. Oh, you have some books and stuff like that inside. I hear. Damn, what's this? Tell it like it is. Table topic and questions. This is so cool. This is like a game you can ask each other and that's well a vibe. And books up on top. Look like them books they did underwater, them wet up, them soak, but because them stay still, them kind of dry. And thing. I could go up the step. Cheese and peace. I don't know. And we down here, majority of people, them actually take time and gone, you know? Nobody not there, them. It's like the whole strip just abandoned. You don't see nobody really or nothing. See tree drop on the place. Luckily, it's gonna lick off that side there. But yeah, this is not a yard. See, tree fully gone. That's a mango tree there. Gone. And then up here now, a few chairs and table. And these are expensive tables and thing, you know, outdoor tables and thing. You can see some footstep and thing, right? That's like some work did I go on, people that sweep out, clean out some things. You have a lock on the door. And if you knock it, somebody might reply. Still locked. This is locked. So yeah, this is. So some people did up here so sleepy look like. Might as well. So then put the cushion and stuff them at the front for dry. Might as well utilize it. Not sure if anybody inside there. Probably not. There's a ladder going up to the top. But yeah. Alright, I could go next door and see rock stone just looking. There's no roof. The roof gone for real, like fully gone. So there's no roof up there. That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Let's see if we can see inside here. I could go up this ladder. I feel safe, I feel strong. Yeah. We just get some content. Massive if I'm asking you to like the video. You don't know where I try. We best. I don't understand. Okay. Also, want some part deck. It's like a, oh, it's a tank. A tank. Catch water. So, you have some part of the board part still there. But, see what me that see there? Well up on that side, the tear off going down. The ceiling gone. Alright, let's go back down. Yeah man, big up to Yo Noel. You don't know Yo Noel. One and Yo Noel water boot this. And it's going good. Yeah man. And let's move. Millions, probably 9 billions worth of damage based on them property here. And them property here, you can see say long time them property are make and them luxurious. Alright. Let's go. Jaja. I wish part better for walk. Alright, I could try to walk right as that seems better. Whoa, fence just lay down. John. One thing, mosquito them wicked. Look here, close up. You can't see him? Put me on. Suck out all of my blood. You know me have to go mash him up. Dead boy. Be a mosquito. And then there's a pitch everywhere. So you can imagine how people them are doing this. So this is what I'm showing you. Look. Whole life structure gone. See, only thing there is the foundation. Only foundation. Where is the structure? Over there. Pots, plate, fork, spoon. Everywhere upon the ground. Zinc, debris. There's a first aid kit. Fully gone. Nothing in there. Come on this. Can I see that some people come and I try sort out some of them and I try pick up what they can get or use. You see me? Okay. Yo. Some of them people just go in and them go stay for the time being because you know some of tank them have in water and all of them things there. You see me? Watch out, man. See there? All of this. Water just pack up everything right there, so. No, sir. Whole heap of money out of loss. Imagine if you just for the clean up part alone, I'm gonna be dread. What teacher? Up you know.
Yeah, man.
I pass through cut is it? Yo, this I got dread. Look at this. Mattresses there in one tree. I mean I tell you that these are beautiful villas, you know, man. But up and running before the hurricane, nice and thing, you know, look good, you know. Now, completely gone. Look on this side. Can see certain place I even used to well kept, as I can see, lawn grass and thing going straight to the gate. Everything mash up. You have a general over there, so I can just hold on the spot there. Or he probably did live there, I'm not sure, but he might go and utilize it, which is right. That's why one of the only places pretty much stand up. Jaja. This is bad, people. So, and not just the poor people, them really I feel I wanna. All the people them we probably could have do better off for themselves. Yeah. Them I feel it wicked too. Because if you get back some of them a place are back up and running. Millions. Even just to clean up alone. Debris and them things there. Millions. Look like even them people just did a sort out that side. Like I say most of them palm tree are the plant palm tree. You can say plant them one here. And not even too long ago them plant. And look there. See plants that they have. Sort out the place. Give a, like they may create a recreational place over here. So done for. Jaja. See that? This place is the richest loss down here. And then for all like people them now, looking at the distance, look on the rain. The rain just constantly a back up. Eh? Can you believe that? The rain just constantly a back up. There, on the place. How am I going to do this now? Rain, no shelter, no current, no water. These are the people them. You have some people that drive around and go in some of the house them and take out the gas. Take out the gas them out of the villas. No, trust me, that's absolutely cool to me. Even though it's still stealing, but them not use. And the people them down there, them need gas. Them need all of them something else. So there's what them are gonna do? Eh? What them are gonna do? Them need it. Look up on this one. Jesus and peace. Look here. Look at this. Debris everywhere. There. Jaja Noah. Look there. And people in place. This is called Relax, lot 65. That's a done. So done. Come up on the palm tree them. And why them so brown? Like them burn up. Like I don't even know ya man. Light post down. It's a fridge. Probably wash out of one place, out of one part. Yeah. Alright, massive, we'll make a way go down the road. Slowly but surely, so you can get a clear picture and view as to how the place stay. Look them side there. Look them side there. Come on. Find my property here. On the water. You can see water just back up the whole of them here. Yo. No man. I'm sorry for all of them people here. The disaster is unreal. There. The disaster is unreal, yo. Right now you can just walk property to property, go straight down. Everywhere just open up and just mash up. But we walk it. Come on this. There. Roof shatter, ripped to shreds, brother. Imagine if this a place downstairs full of water and then the upstairs roof gone and rain a fall. No, bro. I must have tell you about a whole stretch straight back to Black River town. See some people here try to do some clean up and thing. And then something going in a goulash. Let me see if I can take it out. That's an hammer in my foot. Put on back the goulash, you know, something, a piece of bush or something there and there, kind of squeeze my foot. Alright, we're good to go again. Yeah, them people are clean up. Manners, blessed. Jamaica walk by, me just a pass through, you know? Yeah, boy. Rough. Nobody no spear upon the stretch. Cheese and peace. Oh, God. This is one I clean, this one, Mrs. Safari. This is like from days now when I clean. From the day after? Yeah. Jaja no. Big up on yourself and guidance here. Yeah, man. Nobody no spear. That place here named Rest Ashore. You can look up some of them too. So you see what them look like, and you can look up some of them. I want the name Rest Ashore. You can look up some of them. I want to see how them used to look before this disaster. So when you not see them now, you know what I talk. You see, as far as I can see how them police tear down, the sea did that. So the sea did gone all the way back. So the sea rise from where it originally used to them side from way out, that's how you see. and it gone just full up a whole of them places of seawater. Can you imagine that? Oh no. Imagine people are in them places in them house and them are sitting there going. See there? It just wash out everything out of people in them house and just scare them anywhere then stuck up. And I eat that. Just so. Even over here, so them I try to do some work and I try to clean up back some of the place them. Because truth to be told, you know, if them not start now, you know. If them not start try to sort out now, you know what that mean. See this one here have a carpenter way up on the top there, so I try to fix back the roof there. See there? I try to put at least that one there to make it operational. You see me? But the front house fully damaged, roof mash up. We have a far way to go, so we are going to walk. Honestly, on this side not bad, but other than you can see so them did flood out. This not bad. The roof itself not damage all that bad either. But if you look around it, fence tear down, debris on both sides, the yard is a mess. Watch it, concrete wall gone. Mad thing. So enough people are trying to clean up back them place and bunch of sitting here, isn't it? So big up in a bro G. Enough people are trying to bounce back. Yeah, right there. See me? Yes, you're mad. See there? All of them places did water. Water gone way back. Nobody no spear, brother. Come on. Look even on the trees them, Like a tree then skin alive. It's like a tree then get skin alive. Funny place. Shaja. All them places are now get back light no time soon, no electricity. Them places are go just off grid. A solar power them have to go get energy or generators like the one that we passed a while ago. I can bet you even some of them people when they leave, and come back, them probably be like, yo, I can't host this. Okay, see if we can go over that side there. So see sign there, Black River going that way, mountain side that direction to your right, Southfield to your right, and Malvern to your right, you go that direction there. The place just level down.
You have one drone?
Wait, so if me have a drone?
You have a drone?
Yeah, me have a drone.
Where you there? Come here.
But me a film me now and my vehicle there, so what go on? Me a film me now, but my drone not the me, so then I vehicle down so.
Go for a vehicle there.
That side there, when me do Jamaica walk by now, what happened?
I want one drone to go look for my boat. So we are going to go back Parati, make case and we come and drive next week, go to Parati and use up to find my boat for me. Come.
No, me do some work, you know. So
what time you done work?
Me give me about the next hour before me reach our bridge.
Before I reach, so I walk.
Yeah, me a film.
I wish company I film.
Jamaica walk by, my thing.
Oh, Jamaica walk by?
Yeah. So
right.
me can give you my number.
Me not take your number.
Alright then.
Come at Parati, come film.
Alright, which part that?
Parati.
Straight.
Just go.
Yes.
Straight.
Oh, just go on straight.
Yeah, but you can't walk. You have to go far with me, because the road cut off.
The road cut off.
So, just go in that direction there.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm going to tell you next day.
No, for real.
I'm just showing you what I go on
The
still.
road cut off. People are drowned and dead over there.
Oh, you said to me.
But then that me a try to
Yeah,
tell you.
but
Yes.
alright, so what is going to happen? So when I forgot them number, me I go, alright, what me I go do? Me I go that way there, and then get my vehicle and me go that side there.
You can't go nowhere
can't go there,
far.
sir.
Yeah, but me have to go stop some point.
Someone dead then.
No,
Yeah, but me have
me have to go stop at one point and then chat the rest.
No.
Or what we are going to
You
do?
cannot.
You can't cross
You
it.
cannot cross it.
So,
Because
man,
it's dead over
I'm
there
on John
already.
there, no?
Yes.
I'll know when I find anybody. I hit me and
Right.
try telling you.
so which other way?
To go around.
We have to go where? We have to do a mountainside?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, mountainside and go
No, we
around.
don't take mountainside. We make the first turn.
Oh, that a right turn that side there.
Turn, yeah.
Yeah, me know that point there.
And we go round.
Right as I go to where water circle along there so.
Oh, you don't reach so far. You have to make the right this.
Me know which one you talk then. Because we are going to end up back on Sydney Road. But we can actually come straight and then take a left to come here so. A 2 left turn. We're going to take the left and come off this side at first. Me know which one you talk.
Yeah.
We're going to take the right before you reach the puddle and go so. Me know which one you talk.
Right over there.
That's crazy. Me I do this and me I go actually come that side there.
Big man, me want.
bad.
That's why I tell you if you could take my number.
Oh, make it enough phone now.
Yeah, my phone at work. Me just me call a while ago. Me I tell you.
Big man.
Yeah, your phone working, but our phone
Oh,
not
listen to me,
working.
man. You know you ever hear about Pelican Bar?
Yeah, me know your pelican bar there.
Then over there, but me want my bigger see my boat some more. You put it drone. Over the mango, fly over the mango, top that me can't see my boat. And that type purpose more if I know. But anyway, like we're not ready yet. Me soak up. Me I go Malvern, Snow, Southfield. We collect some Western Union and forward.
Me there 1 hour upon a stretch alone. Me I go there go towards the bridge. Me I go look out for you, you know.
Look for me.
No, me I go look out for your vehicle and everything.
I need you more than how you need me, because me want drone to see my boat.
And me have 3 batteries. Me have my drone.
Alright.
All right, respect here. I don't know how to explain this. Jesus Christ. Me still in a shock. It's like me in a shock. I don't know what to make of this conversation because yeah, him want to locate him boat and all of that. Me understand all of that. So me don't know if left what me I do you know, if find back my vehicle aside there. Deal with film thing. By the time if you come back we do this night come and it come like me drive from Clarendon come way down here so for when me you did want to do now go get to do it. I go hard. So him say want to find him boat, me have the drone, give me an hour. By the time I reach the bridge, if him serious enough, him I go find me on the stretch and then he drop me back on my vehicle, me collect my drone and then me and him go find him boat. How that sound? Me feel like that reasonable. So me drive from far come down here so me have to try see what I go on and do what me have to do. And then we attend to him with the boat. As him say people are, no, so mosquito like wow them side there. Wow. People can't survive them place like them a mosquito, you know? Jeez. But me forward, me drive a journey if you come here so if you try see what's going on here. My thing is once nobody life not at risk, that's why me ask him why he need the drone. So if he means say boy somebody out at sea and then last run a one part and they need the drone to find the person, then me that just say alright then done with this here and me go find out. But instead of him boat he want to find, so give me an hour time and we can go deal with that. Not true. But what me sound reasonable. Cause all him a talk me I try to work it out. A big mosquito you know. Sure. So house and on the top really you know. Almighty to the tomb. Dog, them a run. All up on the people them yard. Right there. No, sir. Pure mosquito. You could just walk through yard by yard. The mosquito then rough. While I'm growing, the mosquito then just so warm me. Still a rub. No, sir. A serious thing I want to, massive a serious thing I want to, I don't think a joke. Serious thing I want to. And then as you can see now people them eyes them I get anxious and them I get desperate too because people are them livelihood and all of them things they I get damaged and them still have mortgage, them probably still have them car loan where they still have to pay for and then them not have nothing to use make the money. Look here. Well, I feel like me reasonable. Give me an hour. If you give me an hour, anyway, me reach going to that side, but we stop on me I do and go help him find him boat. But same like I want to get things done, me drive from Clarendon come way down at such a one bunch of things to get this done. And I put off a lot of things to reach her. So even when my friend them say they not gonna make it, I tell myself say me alone I go forward and me alone forward. Here so just clean and open. See there? See right there so. So all of them places. You can see it. Oh, you can see how the water just run through. Charger no. You can see how the water just run through. That open land and just put everything over there so. See? No sir. On the place. This house now looks so bad, look like some part of the roof. They're the same way. So mad. Blackie, what happened? No, sir. No, brother. I don't know that place I got clean up. Can't find them palm here. They just broke right out. Like, and them tree are some powerful trunk tree. Cheese and peace. Yes, soldier. A bit. Help on females. Whole life front on the roof. Jaja no. On this place. Even the wall them thing just throw down the wall them one side. Concrete structure. Throw down. Yo. This have to be one beast, man. Have to be one beast, man. Huh. Upon this beat out. This probably was a shelter or something because you can see how much food was spoiled. Upon food was spoiled. Stink now. Could I? I'm not sure what it is, but Pampas, best dressed chicken. All of them they spoil. Have a restroom there, so this look like probably one center. This is something. They want to get rid of them and put them out the door because it stinks. Yeah. Mosquito them boy. Which place was this? I don't know. Which place was this? I said, this looked like it was a business place. Damn. Look at that. Nice ceiling, yeah, look. When I said no phone not work, I just make call a while ago. I just remember about that. I said mine not work, but I just make call. So on computer. Can see the water run through this place. And you can comment in the comment section if you don't know what is them place and thing. Check. Ah, stinks. Super stink. Damn. This looks like one kitchen or one canteen. It stinks, man. Oh, probably I come from in as well. Stinks. Damn. What the? Stink. Jeez. I don't know, what was this? Got one canteen or a restaurant or something. Where the water come from down? Watch it. What is, man? It's like I did one canteen or something. Yes, one need a fireplace. The next fireplace is something, is a roast chicken or them type of thing. Where does the water come from now? Oh, there's a pit there. So no, I'm not walk on that because walk on the solid part. You know, so you can't sink. Yeah. Glass door ripped to shreds. Damn, watch out this one. A whole front frame. All this way you look on, you know. We just there growing I saw the glass and report, you know. This, can't see this, are probably like 200,000 that out of glass frame this, or probably 180,000 out of glass frame this I look on. Jamaican. Just there so you know. You never know which part, me never see which part this come from. Oh no! No, me I understand. Whoa! It probably come from each one of them places that look like there was a room or a little villa. See, I've guessed. What a lucky thing. Yo, I wonder if people really did in them places or them actually did evacuate. See one of the thing that I tell about right there, so. Oh no! Yo, look there. On the place. Oh shoot, the glass in them in the right also. So probably one of them on the around there, so as I can see, so them in the right here, so. Jaja, see that? From here, so it move. Oh no! I could this have like one big one in the right here, so. See glass them there everywhere ground and thing. See? There. Jaja! See one of them at the side too. A whole heap of money in the last this and look there. Jaja no. Whoa. Can see them that put in some work for try keep the place secure by buttoning up the windows them, button up the window them and thing. But this water where come from, you see the wicked 10 times wickeder than them aboard, because see there everything gone see where and some of the thing them there on the wall and everything else. Watch it, even around the foundation, turn the building them in a island. All the step drop off and drop down in the hole. I see then none of them another day again. All of them I see probably like was villa, where probably like room and a bathroom or something. Where you could have just, or gazebo where you can just relax and check in the ocean and thing. Whole three of them wipe away. We don't know where in sight where the rest of it gone. Look at that. It's not a normal thing. At least this coconut tree has stand up. Puh! Cap on the post them. Shell down. I'm like that. Come on. And see there? Me nobody wanna live near no sea. Me don't want no sea for my backyard. I don't want no sea for my front yard. And I don't want no sea outside of my yard. I don't want no sea. Me don't want no sea nowhere. No want no sea nowhere. Jeez, mosquito them, good God. Alright, come on, mosquito them a fly with me. Imagine all the night time for sleep down here. Watch you frame them. Yo, where's the step? There was a step there. No step, no did I know. Yo. See that? Look on the rooftop. Up on the rooftop over there, sir. None of there. Gone. Jaja. Jaja no. This is crazy. This is crazy. Not telling no joke. Oh yes, I really want. Ah, it stinks, man. I see people live across the road. You can know say them did flood out and I see that. And still I try to work on the car them to clean them up. See if they can get them to drive again. No way. Now tell me see the fridge this right here, so. No way. Look there. Look on the fridge. You see how the water powerful? Look at the fridge. And this is a heavy piece of fridge and look at the fridge stuck. Show the fridge stuck. Look on the wall. Look on the wall. Bend out. Jaja no. Jaja no. Imagine all them people over there, so. When they see this water you fall out. Right there, so look at them, you have a shop or something right there, so center camera. You can't imagine when you see all the water fall out for your house over there, so. Yo, look the man. Oh no. This is crazy. And listen, learn from the video. If you not fall down, you have to help on them thing there. You know, walk with long sleeve shirt and them thing there. Mosquito, then wicked. Pay a mosquito bite. Now some have to go drink some busy when I go in. Look here. The people them house gone, bro. The people them house completely gone. Blessed. Yo. Oh my God. My people them house. Jesus Christ. Oh no, yo. People not see this. Look at this. Good evening, mommy. Cheese and peace. Good afternoon. Oh my God. Good afternoon, good evening. Randy, this is a spot we have to go come. We have to go come here, so. Oh my God. This is crazy. Mosquito, right? There's some kids, we don't want to film them because then they about mosquito just bite them like how they bite me up. And them have to live in this. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is painful, brother. And then my property here. Crazy mosquito. There are two kids there. I don't want to video. Right now, another time, even though my mother not said nothing to me about the filming, I just don't want it's too painful. Find my property here. So, good that you can see that them only have like chapaling and thing. At least people pass and full up them bucket and stuff so them have water and thing. People once used to live. Why? So, the Randy Brown Foundation, we're definitely going to forward this side because you have some people right here so where them lose almost everything, the most gone. Like, just only thing I can see is rubble right here. So everything, like, this is super painful, brother, if you see this. So coming onto a few days, Randy actually supposed to reach. So me up on the ground now, we are search out all of the places them where we people them in a need where we can actually go and render some assistance to. So most definitely this spot right here we have to go stop and see if we can help the people them. Me personally, me can't find it in me if really go talk to the people them. I find it hard to go over there, especially in that situation there, to go film and thing. Even though I show it, but when you just get a little glimpse of what going over there, the house gone, some chapel in there under, mosquito bite everywhere. They have to try to catch water, there's no electricity, so the place probably mad dark at night. Yo, I don't know how this I go fix. I swear to you. Oh my God, yo. And you have a 2 little girl there, so definitely me I go forward when we are Randy supposed to come in a day or two. So we are going to come on that stretcher and we're going to try to find the people that are really in need, especially like them over there. So, and like you go towards Mountain View, I saw this a name? Yeah, Malvern and see. Yeah. I nobody want no seaside view or no seaside living and them the thing there. Upon the people them nice house and them thing there fully destroyed. Even car whether they are sell, some of them are reverse. Cause them see what go on. You don't know, so you have to wind down before you reverse. In Kevin, you have to wind down. Post as me wait for now, me just nobody wait. Are you me must ask? No, me have video here, you know? No. No, you're too late, you know.
We have one work of black people as well.
Right, which work? When I have to start cleaning up first, me start phone, you know?
No, we start working.
Jeez and peace, brother.
You want to say something? We don't go White House.
Bro, me a walk in church. Me can't. Look up. Just when you go there, so just look on your left, right, or so.
We don't go before we start, you know. We don't go before we
Kevin, a serious madness this.
we come down after it's storm the other day after it's storm. Yeah, we down here before the storm, so we know exactly what's going on.
Jeez, big up on yourself and guidance. Me a try one brother who will want some help, cause I try locate him boat and all them things they go in that side and people trap that side, so I use it help them with the drone and see if I can find them. But me tell you, say, give me a hoe and make me just walk on the stretch and then me did it. Because you see how we are climbing down me drive from to see where I go on.
If you go to White House, and then we are going from?
Me I go to White House, Road Randy Brown too. So we are come here and we are go to White House.
No, we're done here.
Done. Jesus.
Hold out.
I'm going to take it easy and safety here. Yeah? We call up. Me I call up, me finish so me see which out today and come on your foot.
You can't go do a feature down there, you know.
Alright, me I call you.
Alright.
Yeah. Jeez and peace. Massive. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. When me tell you that this is bad, this is bad. Manners, see? Jeez and peace, this is bad. Enough people are trying to clean up back. That one is pretty much new. Whole I window then leak out. Look that man. Window then shut up and sitting. Shaja. This probably look like you not even start use it good. Here comes hurricane. People them investment mash up. Jesus, Father God. Yeah. This seems new, like you not even start use good. Yeah. Mash up. See there? The horizon. I've got to look up this one, see if it did start use it. Water. Jajano. I say, can I say water force off the gate? And them gate has some strong piece of gate. Up on the roof up up on that the one. Dig out. Nah bro, look at one. TV wall gone. Look at the water heater there. Almighty. With the window there over there, so look at the water that get catch on the inside and broke the window and make it way out. See how some of the window them up there so leak out. Towel there, the window, then probably people they are in there. Good afternoon. I'm fine so far, oh my word. I just walk the stretcher, showcase all that damage, and I tell us I'm still lost because the place just look like something from a movie. That's all I can say. You live here? You live here? Or you just going to live for now? Help clean up. Cheese and peas, look on the place. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. You say no one on the camera. Big up yourself, see where man. We still are going whole life, you know?
Jamaica walk by, so you don't have your own
Yeah, me just walk and film, show people them which part, you know, it damage them occur and how it look, and if me can talk to anybody, me talk to them, see where people them can see which part and which part need help. So, me up on the ground for that, you know?
Okay.
So we have a foundation that come down the side, so me probably just a scout out to see how bad the place be, and we just go and see. Cause even some of these, we just hope say people them can use some of them as shelter for the time being. We just hope say people can use some of them for the shelter for the time being, where some of them will mash up to all that bad. And which place was this?
You have a lot of people.
Well, watch the channel?
No, a lot of people will still.
Cheese and peas, yeah. What's the name of this place? What it used to be?
Port of Call Hotel.
Is that what?
Port of Call Hotel.
Port of Call?
Hotel.
So this was Port of Call Hotel. Like the whole place mash up massive. The whole place mash up. The whole place mash up. And this is one of them where they're closer to the seaside too as well. The whole place mash up, man. See there now, see the whole place mash up, man. Entrance to upstairs lobby, dining room over there, so no roof, AC hang down, everything. This place mash up, man. Wall, concrete wall, then lean over and bend. Me can't even explain. Look on the place. Oh, the pool, look up on the pool. The only thing look functional like pool. And it's full of salt water. Cheese and peas. How long ago the building they make? Can it look like it recently make? Is it open for business?
Yeah.
Cheese and peas. Nobody in there when time this is going?
The caretaker.
The caretaker?
No guests.
No guests did there, but the caretaker.
And maybe other people will see reference.
Cheese and peas. Where were you when it go on?
I was over by slide. Another community.
So how about all your property?
Oh, well, at the front, look off.
Well, I front lick off.
Yeah, we did have a little deck piece at the back, so my brother is in the kitchen now. And I'm in the other room, but the whole of the front.
Whole of front.
Yeah, everything gone.
I water just push the debris, stuck them up everywhere.
Yeah, me just show you the dining room.
A dining room over there a while ago. But there.
So, we cleared with some of that yesterday, so everything
And that me I realize.
I look in the kitchen.
Yeah. Cheese and oh my word.
Yeah, and we just turn over the fridge.
Jeez and peace.
I'll clean out somebody.
And when them clean up, I go take. Looking at the roof. The place then done. Oh my word. I don't know if, trust me, I don't know if most of them places can come back to the way it used to be. Your amount of work.
Inside here, all the tables and so on.
It used to be the dining room.
Wasn't there.
Jeez and
Everything
peace.
came out.
Wait, one of them for it at Jamaica or then they're fine?
No, man, I was here yesterday. I might soon come to.
Oh, in there.
I'm go that way.
Well, I'm on business place mash up.
No, man, I desperately need some help right now.
Jesus Christ.
You know if you're coming this way?
Why? Jeez and peace, I don't know what to say to you. Say. What we have to help is person where in need a urgent thing from water to food supply, chapaling, all of them. Upon the washroom done. Washroom done. All the machine, them everything done. Jeez, and look up on this side, wall gone. Man said, I can tell you, most of the owners them for them property, I go just say, all right, I hit that. I no bother. Them not go bother do nothing.
Well, in there, so it's office, everything good.
Office used to the here, so. Most of the people them I go just call it a day. Because when they think about it, build back them a place and get it back the right way, it's like, it never makes sense, bro. And then you do all of this, and then next year, one next hurricane out there, category 6. So, what you do? Look at, oh my God, mud. Looking at the place. Mud. Water does the everywhere and he bring his sand, everything. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my word. Look at one. Cheese and peace. This is one of the room then. Oh my word. Look at sand, mud, bed, pile up, chair, sheet, bathroom. I don't know how you fix what this. Cheese and peace. Take care, you hear me, sister? You hear me? I gotta make sure I stop when time the convoy come here, so yeah?
What time they gonna come? Give me your number because
let me give you one number.
You take me off, you turn off that?
No man, me still a record, because my record me not stop.
Oh,
Me just put in the number, that's me not fi ring you out. Upon the place, man, jeez and peace. This is my thing, you know. Me fix up back this a place here. And then next year, one next hurricane. Or something like that out here, so for a place. What you do now?
So if you look down in that, if you can look over there, so in the most of the office and the bar, you see the
What's that? Yeah.
you see they call it the filing cabinet.
Oh my word.
And the bar we round at the front, they fly out everything over so Namaros, liquor, everything.
Everything.
Yeah. Because the big wall right by there.
See it here, you can see over here. So what you do, you send me, just call me, and me save a number. If you ring it now, I put it on silent.
What's your name?
I put it there. Jamaica walk by. Yeah man, I mean that. Fabian my name, oh, me Fabian my name man. But I say everybody call me Jamaica walk by same way, because that's the name I use for my platform. So I just name so. So my name Fabian, Jamaica walk by. If you call it now, one service I pick up, it's supposed to ring.
That's the issue. Because
Me not have no bar now, but me get bar down there so. But I promise you, I'm a real number that. So once you ring my phone, you just tell me where you are, and me I know. I know the spot, so I go stop.
alright, but what I was saying, we don't expect I'm not in here.
Alright, today is what day? Wednesday?
Yeah.
So I think we are gonna be here by between Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause Randy coming tomorrow. Alright. Oh my word, yes. Can walk us up? Yeah, we can squeeze through. Boy, I don't know what owners them are going to do about them places.
Upstairs, man. Upstairs.
Boy,
Upstairs worse.
I can't even take on no more. Me just go on down the stretch. Jaja no. Big up here, remember you can call me. Alright. Massive. Oh God. When some people say rich, no feel they are rich. I go alright. No sir, everybody down here so. Everybody. Because the more your place expensive, more bills and things you have, the more damage you sustain. Look on the place. Look there. Mighty. Almighty. See there? Port of Call. Port of Call Hotel. Sign just lie down one place. So as the lady I say, juice, the bar, everything, then they in a bush. Look there. Port of Call Hotel. AC room, cable TV, jacuzzi, swimming pool, breakfast, lunch, dinner, catering. Oh God. I look on the place now. Done. My thing, as me elaborate on this enough, I stretch it. Me have said this house is mine. Let's say this house is mine. Make a reason now, you know. And after this, me must finish this. Wanna tell me in the comment section, you know. Say this was mine. I'm going through this Hurricane Melissa. And the place look like this. Wanna tell me if me must finish this. That's all I want to know. Wanna comment in the comment section, now tell me if me must finish this. Because me I move as far away from here, so. Anybody, wanna probably go burn me out with that one, but let me tell you this, I am selling this. I am selling this and I am moving as far away from anywhere me see one seaside. I'm going to go up on the highest mountain. Go start over fresh and build upon one rock stone. Remember me tell you now. Because if this were my only thing you could answer is that you abandon the downstairs and build it in such a way that in case down has a flood with water, you know reach the other 2 floors. But who to tell? The next hurricane come where the water 10 times or 2 times cover the whole structure. You can't know, you can't run from it. All of them a place. No, we don't know how it a go. All them a nice house guy then just don't make showy lawn and nice now. How you do this? How you continue after this? That more have to know. Good afternoon. Because people have nice shutter door upon the house. Yeah. Nice, beautiful property. Look on it. All the gym equipment them out at door and things. Look there. Lord God. I said, where them you come from? Sink hole, water eat out from. Let me even bother walk on that thing. Because I now go viral for the wrong things. Look there. And you tell me say me must build back them. And I not build back them, my brother. You're gone. I'm going to take me 5 years if you don't sort it out and then it's 6 years. I want more of this. I not do it. I'm gone. I find somewhere else in Migla, Jamaica and go, brother. I'm not doing this. Make people tell me about my stress and the safety of my family and all them things there, brother. I'm not staying here, so. Make people say anything what they want to say. With the sea right there, so, and the amount of damage. Listen to me, make water gone. You understand? Make water gone and current gone. And 2 windows leak out or something. But the place nothing look so. After a hurricane. The place not supposed to look so, brother B. So me build up my property, what can save back them a wall? If from the sea can move from how it did there. You put back one next wall there, I same thing can happen. You can't tap that. You can't tap that. So me I move from here, so. I'm not doing this. Look on the place. make everybody else can say Ray and Tay. But me know that for a fact, say. If I did me, I should. God believe me. I'm not staying. Manners, nature, respect. Your property this? Boy, I tell it, I just say, boy, if I'm my place, none of them are me gone, you know, cause I say if I none of them are my place, I tell them say me gone, you know, cause God know, me not go spend back the whole of my loss and fix it back up and next year one next hurricane again. Me don't know how me can manage it. Me can't do this. Me can't do this. Me no program so. God know. My viewers and subscribers, me don't know who is program that way there. But me can't do this. I mean not go do that. Can't manage them and sit there. This is too painful, brother. Look on the place them. Jesus and peace. Look on the place them. Good God. Look on the people in the yard. House them gone. Look there. This is no joke. No joke. Hey, massive. Look on the place, man. Look at the car. Me not rebuild after this. Me sorry. Some nice BMW window then gone and all them things there. Oh, shell down. Man put all them BMW on black brother for the water run out. Watch the water run right through man BMW. Me can't rebuild after this, massive. Me can't rebuild after this. Jesus and peace. Me can't rebuild after this, yes sir. No one tell me from anywhere else me I go try in Jamaica. Anywhere else. But no yes sir, me not come back. Me sorry. Sorry. That's my opinion that. Anybody want to take it wrong way, say, oh don't run left your land, don't this and that. But me not go through this here. Anybody else can live through this here can do it, but me can't do it. So what time I say don't run left your land and all them things, me I run left it. Then can take it. Me still I go dead. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah man, heart I love my godfather. I'm not doing this. We still are go dead one day. So until then, make me go somewhere, go live and live happy and comfortable and feel good in myself. And that me I go do. That's my thing there. But me not doing this. And if they tell me, say, oh, you own it already and thing, I'm selling it. The day I come back down and see it like this, I want for sale sign put up. I am selling it. Anybody want it to buy, come talk to me. Sell it, but we not go through this. Man feel live happy. Man feel live happy and then go on back to Jamaica. So, me I go find somewhere where me can live without being stressed. And my pocket a burn. Me look on the people in wall of ground. Me I go find somewhere else. You know can take it. Look there. I tell them say me must fix back them I sitting there. Me must fix back them I sitting there. Until next year again. And the next year, me fi think about one next hurricane. If you come do back the same thing, me not doing that. Me not doing it. That me I tell you. Me not doing it. I am not doing it. Look there, container in a bush. Look there. Manners fire. Me not build back none of them now. Sell it. I'm gone. Look there. Look there. Look on the people them money. Find people that hard working, time and effort. Look there. Gone just so. Look there. Find my property here. Look there. Eh? How much of them places did insure? You can see say, my boy put a chapel up on this because one big hole. A big hole there in that place. Them a business place and thing, you know. Look there. Find the people in place. Look there. Water just run through this stairway, all of that part there. Eh? Look there. Oh God Almighty. Look there. Water just run through this. Eh? Look there. I fix back this. No matter how much money I have, I not fix it back. I find somewhere else to go. Me have the money when I go take fix up back them place or make it back. Me better me try somewhere else. Look up on them hole where just come from nowhere, you know. No, sir. Look at. Huh? When people them car, watch car. Stuck in the sun and then just be like, you know what, make that go on turn here, man? Go put one big container over there to catch up. In our bush. Eh? So there. Oh my word. Not doing this. How much if we are walk? Jeez and peace. Almighty. Clearly some of my people, them nobody come and say can't touch nothing. Then just love it. At that gate I make this a wall that still stand up because through flash and open, it kind of catch you up. See there? If it's a gate and then this a wall that on the belly. Look there. Shutter water just bust through shutter. Tear down, you can people in the house nice and pretty. Them, you can say to them, say, look, man, I eat that. Pan the size tree. And the water just and the breeze just move it. Me not doing this. I could hear from you in the comment section there. I could hear from you which part you now watch from and who know that do. What you think the Jamaican people them fi do after this? Huh? What you think? I want to hear from you because when you been to hear my thoughts. Look here. If you make now this a wall here, the whole of the wall are probably like about $1 million. Just a piece here. Just this so for come here so. From material to workman and all of that are probably about $1 million out of wall is. And if you don't reach 1 million, just say alright, the million then just go right to down at the end part there so. I know me a quote right. And see there, ground, just so. See one nice pool right there so, nice pool. Eh? I probably $2 million out of pool that. Yeah, right there so, mash up. Look at people in place. I not think I could have find back in money for and the heart to invest back in them property, if you tell you the truth, right? That's not. Give me one have and who want buy, come buy. See there? See. Look how my property are pretty. Let me see if I can make it true. Okay? Look how my property are pretty. Watch it. Look how property them pretty. Everything mash up. Watch it. Look on the tile on the ground. Look on the type of tile. Look on the grill. Look on the type of switch. Huh? On the type of switch. Huh? On the couch in there. Huh? This was one of them glass bathroom there where you can look, you can just chill and just have a nice little shower. Look there. You can just step straight out the door. Because people in place nice. Mash up. You can't invest back in this. Look there. As you see, right that's all. And now we see not fully gone with some of them. See? Because water still a second them a place. Look there. I see just draw back down there so. No one about them a property here. I eat that. That would be it for me. Can't do it. glass doing there, them a place I know. Gone. And the people them counter. Granite counter which are a sink full of water. Mosquito them a breed up. Mosquito them not play no man. My people them house. A nice place. Mash up. Mash it. Cheese and peas. Watch it's a queen bed or a king bed. Right there. But the people them nice place and the people them money man. Done. Almighty. Right there. Done. 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 Jesus. There. Done. Done. Cheese and peace, brother. Now invest back in my place, brother. That's my thought. How me feel. After looking at it, I can't rebuild knowing say this can happen next year. And that's my problem. I can't rebuild knowing say this can happen next year. You get me? Okay. Or this can happen next 2 months after me rebuild it. This can happen again. Me can't do that. Place look like I want bomb drop down here. Look there. Can't do it. Oh gosh, man. Can't do it. But massive moving. I put some yip in my step because we are going right to the bridge. So please, share the video. Share the video so people can see how the place look. Look how far the light post in there over the bush. Almighty man. Sir. I not even remember say me did tired. Told me heart hurt me. Place is unrecognizable. No, sir. Come on, Jesus. And the people in property. Oh my. So anywhere you're watching from, you can comment where you're watching from right across the world. And please, I'm asking you to like the video, even though we're not liking for what is going on here. Just like it to the time and the effort that me take putting into doing this video. Like it for that. Not for how the place look or you love what is happening around us. Like it because we put time and effort in doing this video and this walk so that the world can see it up close and personal. Please, I beg you, like it for that. Yeah, that's all I'm asking you. Like it for that. Comment in the comment section. Oh, yeah. Look at my paper house. Yeah. Oh God. Oh God. Up on that side, there's stove, fridge, clothes, sheet, everything. Come like out of this property they come from. Yeah. I want to carry this one. Wall them there ground. Yeah man. Yeah man. Cheese and peace. Brownie, where are the brownie? Fire, big up. Manners. Jesus. Jesus. Look there. Look, man. Oh gosh. When I tell me that this don't look unreal too, no? This don't look unreal too, no? Eh? This look like some AI scene from a movie. No wall, gone. The house, done. Tile it out a door. Huh? It's not a normal thing, and me must invest. I can't invest in this back. After this, me. Everything out of the house there. They over there, so. See all that furniture them in the bush there. Stove, washing machine, the fridge, mattress. Everything there over there, so. See them there each up in the bush. See one king bed over there, so full up. See roof, is zinc them there, see everything. So one dresser there way over there, so in the mangrove. Me! Look on the place. Oh God. To make one little place, you know how much money it costs, especially in Jamaica. Yeah? Good God, how much of them people your house insure? When they say, alright, then I go get one money, you know, and I go take what me get and run. Jesus mighty. No, sir, look on the place. On the place. No. Look up on the rain in the distance afar. I must have a walk in here, man. Oh God. Oh no, brother. Vida me too, man. Blessed. As me look around in top video, man, you could have video me. Right now, everything me have video. Look all upon me left here now. Jesus. Belly pain. Watch out, man. None of them are property wall, no matter again, you can just walk on land. Look there. Am I done? Why? Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Mattress. Everything. Check the AC. One AC now, a 180,000. And look on one unit. See unit here? Just so. Pay mosquito massive, so we not tarry. Mosquito like wow, so we not tarry. See that? That's a mattress. We not tarry. That's a. Look how them concrete are tough and strong and solid. And then just blow away like nothing. And think of one normal thing there, so. Nothing normal in there, so. Actually, the mosquito still, me have fight it. I try to brush them away. So we can see what's going on in this. This no good none at all. Water there in the base everywhere. This a place I can name a sunken city, you know, brother. Eat that. Yeah. See where water there now. I know say water never normally there so close to this. Look at that there now. This was what? A bathroom. No roof. No roof. Father. No roof. Look on that image here. Look there. Look there. Look there. Sure. Live simple. This is how science says, live simple. Peace and peace. Yes, the beach house. Once was. Oh, and my mosquito them a fight, man. Sure. Lord have mercy. Gone, I eat that. I tell you, nasty here. Look on the neighbor them. On the neighbor them. Look there. Nobody not spare. People couldn't even shelter in them. Because not spare. Kitchen. People pass through them and see them, take up a first aid, empty first aid kit them. People move through them already. It's a garage. The place are just open up, you know. See it? You see, notice how you're going at them, no furniture, none of them thing there. See them across the road. The bed them, the kitchen supplies, the stove, all of them in the settee. See them there? In a rubble. Where water just send them gone over there so go and pile up. Over there so then there. All I furniture them when in there so gone. The table, everything. They in a bush. See there? In a bush. Not doing this work. This is a house, roof, wall. So I want hole in this property, you know. Blessed respect. Blessed. Huh? That hole in there. Can get a video from it? Jesus Christ. Look here. Huh? So me come back on my yard now, at my business place and say this here in my side. I'm gone. Not staying. I'm not spend $1. Done. That's what I think the fire, God believe me. If this was mine, I come here and I see them and something here. And they give me anything 1 feet and I go find one of them mountain top there. Go live pan. But I not come back here so car. I not go spend my money on this. And next year then tell me so next category 5 hurricane out there. Done with that. Because that go, might as well then kill me. Big up and respect, hear that? Yeah man, I not go do that. Look on the place. I'm mad. I not do it. This is way more serious than way anybody think, brother. This did my give me anything you know I'm gone. Kind of idea me I got dead lefty. So might as well, when we have to live for now, we got bush up in one of the mountain them. Go live on tranquilo with even less than this, with a steady mind and a steady medi till my time come. But me now put this upon it. God believe me. We can't do this. How people will recover from this? Oh, I'm mad. Okay. How you recover from this? Fix it back and then tell me say next year, one next time you have to see one hurricane category 6. And then what? Mad. Whole of people them furniture, clothes, bathroom, fixture, everything there in a bush. They hard working money, time, effort, life's work, years of work. One day just dash out. Me can't do this. Can't do this. When you see how much miles and them things that me walk for a living and me say me own one of them property here. And one day, one day, it wipe out, one day. One day. We have worked for 40 years. And one day, everything when we work for gone. Everything. Everything. I'm if you think about building it back right there, so. Huh? Can't do it. Me refuse. And nobody can tell me less. To keep the land or not, me not keeping nothing. Give me anything you want and take it and me go somewhere, go tranquilo. Look on the people them place, brother. Give me anything and then me go tranquilo somewhere in a bush. Where hurricane lick and me still see my house and my roof. Don't have no water already and light. We can go on my solar thing. You see me I say, look here man. Wall, everything. Done. Can you play in place nice and pretty? I will fix this back. That me I tell you. Actually, washing machine that did. See this man did I work on one step to go up on the top of round at the back round so. And look on the property, brother. This a place don't even look like it did done yet. See them start the business. And look upon it. All me a walk mosquito still a bite, you know. Look up on this, this don't even look like it done. This not even look like it done yet. And look upon them. Not even look like them did done yet. For open for business, for them make back money. And look there. The property is not so bad, because look like it ain't finished yet or something and based on how it turns sideways, it probably gets saved. Because it turn kind of sideways, so one wall probably they run on the other side, so water probably not come in. I didn't bother go over there. Be a mosquito just a bite, brother. You know what I'm saying? I put some yip in a step. Oh, Virgin. Watch all the car there. So one car there. Look at. It's a car stuck over here, so. Let's have to go get dig out. Watch it. Pee a mosquito. This is a car stuck right there, so. See it there? Mosquito don't want near me alive here. I can't stay there. So, it's a car stuck right there, so. Pee a mosquito. Mosquito don't want to eat me alive. Anybody come, mosquito want me alive. You have to just wipe your face and all them things there. Get rid of them. And your nose them want to fly. Oi. Crazy. Watch your man. A movement, you know, stay there so. Be a mosquito. And you're not even dark up yet. Jesus, I'm not even dark up yet. And a pure mosquito. Jesus. See all rain a drip now. Mosquito they not play. So the rain a come down, but I actually have the umbrella thing for the rain. Just installed it a while ago. So we not stop the journey. Still a go. Nothing stop the journey. Not even rain. And my head cover me good. Come on. Done. The wickedest mosquito them may ever see. Wickedest. And then show me fresh. Show me fresh, you know, man. Cause some mosquito program, you know, them know a fresh blood them. They swarm you. Oh gosh, man. Boy. Imagine me not exaggerate. But I walk and the mosquito them a bite. Oh, that this one capture there. Look like one of them supply copter. You can see it. What's the mosquito here, man? Supply copter. Yeah. Manners. No, I exaggerate on the mosquito. The mosquito them follow me. Go away, man. Jeez, what bite me get? Good little journey. Oh, we are got you. Oh, brother. I'm to the mosquito. Yo, never see mosquito like them as so persistent yet. That's a new breed. Cause look at who me I walk and the mosquito them fly with me and there's a pitch for me. Jaja. Sorry for you people them. Mosquito like whoa. Jeez and peace. Never see this yet. When people them house. $1 billion this already. Nobody can tell me nothing. You want a property where there, sir. Or nearly $1 billion. How to fix up back if you go on in damages. Mosquito come like them I get worse. Jeez, I'm sorry, I'm massive them. But I can't make them mosquito just stay upon me and bite me, so good God. Can't do it. And I'm fierce. Watch it. I say I not exaggerate. I say mosquito them wicked. I say so. Oh, so. Maybe I just down there, so at least I see them cool off little since we reach up here, so. Oh God. Amount of mosquito way down there, so. Watch it, mosquito them. What? Me I walk and even say me stand still. You know, better prepare for this, if you're not forward, then on a normal thing this. And heartbreaking. Look there. can't even pass here a second now. The mosquito then wicked. And that's the one I think to why people then can't stay because guess what? No fun no there or nothing, no. You can't get even lock up a place. A big mosquito, imagine the lady and the kids them were there down there so we have to go do this the whole night. You have to go wrap up in some blanket, whole of your body. Whole of your body you have to go cover up from head to toe. A torture. Sure no? A torture. Between you and the mosquito them. Because if me a walk and me a keep moving and the mosquito them a fly with me if you bite me. Watch it. Oh my word. Well, let's go. Sure. Yes, they mash up. And they know if you go bite you know, man. And some part you not reach. Jeez. Because the mosquito they want to stop the show. A crazy mosquito. After I shut back and them thing that them just pitch. I mean if I love mosquito from morning. Oi oi. Yeah. Look at that. It's a torture. We get in there, Massive, we get in there. Good God, funny people in place. Oh my word. Painful. Awesome. Everywhere mash up, you know? Nobody no get spare. Gotcha. Everywhere mash up. And the people have to live in this. In a heap of them, a heap of mosquitoes. Huh? No fan, no current. No water. No food. Jeez and peace. Jaja, no. You got the water push this van. Stuck him up right there up on the wall in. Can't even stop and slow down again too. The mosquito them are cheese and them choose some place to go. Fi bite you. Why am I yipping on my step? Oh, sir. So reach your destination. Terrible, massive, terrible. Why big up to everybody who watch the video star, like everybody will stay tuned and watch the entire video. Thank you so much. Watch him on. Mosquito like, wow! I'm glad to see my so rich, cause can't do no more of this. Mosquito them bite me straight for a few minutes. Oh, brother. So big up to everybody who watch the video, I tell you. This is painful. See all the veranda there with kids, some little baby. And think, look at them about 2-3 years old there too. Probably 2, 3, 1. And them have to live in them mosquito here. Now walk and the mosquito them follow me. Imagine them just live and just have to dead so right 3 days with a mosquito them. Oh my word. Millions of bites them I get now. Check. Everywhere me look for me see one mosquito. Crazy. Yeah, brother. Everywhere me look for me one mosquito there. I see there's the kids over so. No sir. I better get used to it. Yeah, Godfather. Boy, mosquito them boy, God know. Are the wickedest thing. Them a kill me and I walk. Watch it. Mosquito them man. How you do it? Jesus Christ. I walk and the mosquito them a murder me. All the kids them, oh God. In Godfather, walk and me a struggle. No light, no water, and no fun. So just be a mosquito biter. Jesus, peace. Big up and respect here. Jamaica walk by. Jesus, look at them, the fine people in property them. Massive, I'm telling you. I walk and I tell you, mosquito them a kill me. And imagine them people have to live in it right now. Oh no. Oh no. Good God. Sorry for them. Sorry for them. One mosquito me kill. Alright, we are see the town now right in a view right there. So just go right at the bridge. Come on. This is not normal, brother. This is not normal. Yo. Good man. Why? There. Jeez and peace. See them my property here? Everything for this property here, you know. Everything for it. They're over there, so. Everything for that property here. Everything for that property here. They're over there, so. See there from the container to the roof, the wall, the column. Blessed love and respect. Jamaica walk by here. And subscribe to Jamaica walk by. Look for me, look good. Where I do it. You never see nothing like this yet in our life? You never see nothing like this yet in our life?
Never.
This don't look like something real, no?
No.
Don't this look like one scene from a movie?
It looked like a bomb was dropped here.
When I have to go my case and wind up because the mosquito come straight in the car, come kill them. I kill them, I kill me and I walk,
Yeah, man.
Remember, be heart of love, Jamaica walk by, alright? Yeah, man. And remember, and subscribe.
Yes, definitely.
That is it. This is crazy, massive. We're on the place. You know, I love when people video me, you know, because I have to get the word out. Every subscriber count. Cheese and peace. Alright. No, brother. I'm glad to reach, because I couldn't go a foot further. Oh my word, look on the place. A rough walk this physically, emotionally and mentally. If you see a place, come have a whole heap of things, but if you see a place where a place mash up, if you see the amount of loss, the mosquito, the situation, everything where people are live under right now and if you build back, it's heartbreaking, I'm telling you. Also, physically, you know, a good walk me a walk. I may have one backpack, I have one for my belly with charger, all sort of thing, the mic, just in case I talk to nobody and thing. So, I burn off. How much of my blood I want to get? Oh God. I made that. Done. Done. All the camera mosquito them a bite. All the camera. Watch it. Joke this. Look there. All the camera mosquito them want bite. Around 4 mosquito pitch pan the camera. Like I wish we could have video. The mosquito them pitch pan the camera. I look blood. Watch it. Done, me done. See the bridge there? I'm glad to say I reach right there because every part of me give up right now. Every part of me give up. Anyhow, me have to go 1/4 mile more. Me lock off his camera and jump in one vehicle. Can't do it. Can't do it. Look on the place. Mosquito them. I'm my biggest enemy right now. And the biggest enemy that down I can't tell you now. The mosquito them and the people them. Because no water, no current. Them not have nothing to blow away mosquito them or nothing. How them all get rid of mosquito them? Cheese and peas. Hello, good afternoon. Taxi run go that direction?
Which direction am I going?
That way there. More go back at the crossroad. The one where the sign there if you say you go Melbourne, go left. Right there so. I just want something to carry back there so.
Oh, yeah, go look fancy.
Yeah. Come on. So, blessed love, respect. And we can reach back there so. Cheese and peas and massive. See there, we're just reaching a Black River town. Thank God. Hope down as we get a little breeze with the mosquito them. Oh God, I'm reverse enemy that. So massive, me do a full tour of the town. I'm going to drop part 2 probably before you see that video here. I drop the part 2 of Black River town because I do part 1 I have part 2. So, mad respect man, cheese and peace. So yeah massive, big up and respect. Heart of love, thank you so much for watching the video. It's been a long walk. Hope you enjoy the walk. They just seeing everything what we could have shown with the property them. We just reached a Black River, see the bridge there inside. So we have done the right, so heart of love, mad respect, and until next time, me soon again. Don't get serious. I'm going to try to make my way back to the opposite direction where I come from to get back a vehicle and see if me can see back the brother there, go that direction if you see if me can help him out with the drone. And sitting car. It's crazy. So blessings and respect to all. Oh my word. It's been a crazy walk. But just go and like the video, go and drop some comment as we keep walking Jamaica. One Jamaica walk by. Hear that massive? We're there. Big up all of my general them on the grind. And I do them YouTube content for the world can see what I go on. Heart of love. That is it. Condolences to everybody we lose. Them property, them business, them house, you name it, everything. It's painful, I tell you. Blessings and respect to all. Until next time, keep watching. Go watch our next video, please. I beg you now. And like, see? Heart of love.